Morning students, welcome to today's class 6 English grammar exercise or first chapter exercise. Test your knowledge. Exercise A. Write A for assertive, I for interrogative, E for exclamatory and IM for imperative. तो हमने फर्स्ट चैप्टर में पढ़ लिया व्हाट इज कॉल्ड ए सेंटेंस and the kinds of sentence, right? So how many kinds of sentence are there? There are 4 kinds of sentence. What are they? Assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence and imperative sentence. Here what we have to do, we have to read this sentence and find out what kind of sentence these are. Okay, तो हमको क्या करना है, ये 6 सेंटेंस को पढ़ना है और पढ़ के देखना है कि ये कौन सा काइंड ऑफ सेंटेंस है और वो आंसर को हमको आगे लिखना है. फर्स्ट वन देखो, बी कूल. बी कूल तो वो कौन सा काइंड ऑफ सेंटेंस है ना. एक ऑर्डर दे रहा है कि बी कूल, ऑर्डर है तो वो क्या है, कौन सा काइंड ऑफ सेंटेंस है, इम्परेटिव सेंटेंस. सो राइट आई एम. I am, imperative sentence. Next one is what a lazy girl you are. तुम कितना lazy हो. See exclamation mark हमारा feeling है, emotion है ना, कि तुम कितना lazy हो. तो हमारा feeling दिखा रहा है, emotion दिख रहा है कि तुम कितना lazy हो. Exclamation mark है इधर, तो what kind of sentence it is? It is an exclamatory sentence. So write E. Third one, where does she live? वो कहाँ रहती है. It's a kind of question. It's a question. So what kind of sentence it is? It is an interrogative sentence. So write I. I read newspaper. I read newspaper. वो क्या है, statement है ना. तो वो कौन सा kind of sentence है, assertive sentence. So write A. How bravely you acted. तुम कितना bravely act किया. तो हम feeling दिखा रहा है कि वाह कितना bravely तूने act किया. So what kind of sentence it is? See here exclamation mark. So what kind of sentence it is? It is an exclamatory sentence. So write E. The last question, do you like tea? क्या तुम्हें टी पसंद है. तो क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है ना, हम किसी से पूछ रहा है कि क्या आपको टी पसंद है, तो वो क्या है, इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस. Next exercise, exercise B. What type of sentence are these? Write the answer in the space. The first one is done for you. First one is done for you. तो हमको क्या करना है, we have to read this sentence and find out what type of sentence are these. तो first one है, he was not covered. तो वो क्या है, assertive, it's a statement है ना. तो वो क्या है, assertive sentence. Next one is will you learn driving. क्या तुम ड्राइविंग सीखोगे. से क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन है तो कौन सा काइंड ऑफ सेंटेंस है. when we ask question, what kind of sentence it is? It is an interrogative sentence. क्वेश्चन है तो वो what kind of sentence है, it's an interrogative sentence. The answer is interrogative sentence. Write interrogative. Interrogative sentence. Interrogative. Next one is hooray, we have won. hooray, हमने जीत लिया. तो वो क्या है, feeling है ना, खुश है, खुशी दिखा रहा है, हमने जीत लिया. तो what kind of sentence it is? It is an exclamatory sentence. फीलिंग या इमोशन दिखाया तो वो कौन सा काइंड ऑफ सेंटेंस है? एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस. सो द आंसर इज एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस. exclamatory sentence. Fourth one, she is expert in science. वो साइंस में एक्सपर्ट है. What kind of sentence it is? Statement, right? She is an expert. She is expert in science. तो वो क्या है? Statement है. Statement है तो कौन सा kind of sentence है? Assertive sentence. Answer is assertive sentence. Assertive sentence. Fifth question, always help poor. बता रहा है कि हमेशा पुअर को, गरीब लोगों को क्या करना? मदद करना. ऑलवेज हेल्प द पुअर. तो वो क्या है? कौन सा काइंड ऑफ सेंटेंस है? इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंस. Imperative sentence. The last one is how are you doing? तुम कैसे हो? How are you doing? It's a question. So when we ask question, what kind of sentence it is? It is an interrogative sentence. It is an interrogative sentence. So the answer is interrogative. Third exercise, read the following groups of words, write S for a sentence and P for a phrase. What we have to do is we have to read this sentence and find out whether it is a sentence or it is a phrase. क्या करना है? इस following words को, group of words को read करके find out करना है कि वो sentence है या phrase. First one, the children are playing in the garden. The children are playing in the garden. तो वो sentence या phrase है? It is a sentence. Sentence है तो क्या करना है आंसर में? Write S for sentence. To my door. To my door. Is it a sentence? No, it is not a sentence. तो वो क्या है? Phrase. P for phrase. At sunset. Sunset. At sunset. Sentence है क्या? No. वो क्या है? Phrase. It is not Sunday today. आज Sunday नहीं है. Sentence है क्या? Yes. It is a sentence. S for sentence. In the corner. In the corner. Sentence है क्या? No. तो क्या है? Phrase. Which train shall we catch? हम कौन सा ट्रेन पकड़ेंगे? Is it a sentence? Yes. तो write S. Last exercise, exercise D. Read the sentence carefully and write down the type of each sentence. The first one is done for you. हमको क्या करना है? We have to read the sentence and find out what type of sentence are these. There are 4 type of sentence, 4 kinds of sentence. What are they? Assertive sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence and interrogative sentence. We have to read the sentence and find out what kinds of sentence are these. The first one is bring me a glass of water. Bring me a glass of water. यानी मेरे लिए एक glass of water लाओ. तो वो क्या है? Order है. Order है तो what kind of sentence it is? It is an imperative sentence. So write imperative. Imperative sentence. What a shame. What a shame. What kind of sentence it is? एक कौन सा kind of sentence है? इधर देखो एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क दिया हुआ है, शोस आवर फीलिंग है ना, व्हाट ए शेम, शोस आवर फीलिंग. सो फीलिंग है तो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ सेंटेंस इट इज एन एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस. एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस. हैव यू डन योर वर्क, क्या तुमने तुम्हारा काम कर लिया. क्वेश्चन है ना, क्वेश्चन है तो इट इज एन व्हाट काइंड ऑफ सेंटेंस, इट इज एन इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस. इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस. नेक्स्ट वन, हाउ ओल्ड आर यू, तुम कितने साल के हो. क्वेश्चन, अगेन इट्स अ क्वेश्चन, सो इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस. Interrogative sentence. Fifth question, I am watching butterflies. I am watching butterflies. I am watching butterflies. What kind of sentence it is? It's a statement, right? So it is assertive sentence. Assertive sentence. May you live long. May you live long. It's an exclamatory sentence. So it shows our feeling, emotion. May you live long. So exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. Seventh one, she is enjoying the movie. वो मूवी बहुत एंजॉय कर रही है, तो वो क्या है. She is enjoying the movie, तो वो क्या है. Statement. What kind of sentence it is? Assertive sentence. Eighth one, may our team win the match. May our team win the match. What kind of sentence it is? It shows our emotion, feelings. So it's an exclamatory sentence. Ninth question, what are you going? Sorry, where are you going? तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो. क्वेश्चन है, पूछ रहा है कि तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो, तो वो क्वेश्चन है तो कौन सा काइंड ऑफ सेंटेंस है. इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस. Interrogative sentence. The last one, they climb on the mountains. They climb on the mountain. Statement, right? They climb on the mountains. If it is a statement, what kind of sentence it is? It is an assertive sentence. So there are four kinds of sentence: assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence and imperative sentence. आप लोग इस चैप्टर को अच्छे से पढ़ के एक्सरसाइज भी करना और आपका कॉपी में इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स आपका कॉपी में लिख के लेके याद करना. थैंक यू.